Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to talk about AI in software development. Maybe you've heard about tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, Codex, or other AI systems. Maybe you've even used them. But what do they actually do in software development? How do they help? Can they write real code? Can they reduce bugs? Can they help non-developers? We're going to answer all of that, step by step. And don't worry, this video is beginner friendly. You don't need to be a programmer or a techie to understand this. Let's begin. First, let's understand what AI in software development means. When we say AI in software development, we're talking about using artificial intelligence tools to help you write, test, manage, and improve software. These tools use something called generative AI, which simply means AI that can generate content. That could be text, images, audio, video, or in this case, code. So instead of writing every single line of code by yourself, you can now describe what you want in plain English and I will help you write the code. It's a bit like autocomplete on your phone, but much smarter. You can say, I want a function that checks if a number is prime, and the AI can write the code in Python, JavaScript, or another language for you. Now, does this mean the AI understands what a prime number is, like a human does? No, artificial intelligence doesn't actually understand language or math the way we do. It doesn't think. What it does is use math and statistics to figure out what the next most likely word or code block should be. It's predicting, based on patterns it learned from huge amounts of data. But the result? It looks like a human wrote it, and it works surprisingly well. So why should developers or even beginners care about using AI in this space? Let's break it down. First, increased efficiency and faster development. AI tools help you write code much faster. Whether you are writing a small script or building a full application, AI can generate code, fix bugs, and even suggest improvements. This means less time writing and more time building. Faster development also means you can launch your software more quickly, which is a big advantage in business. Second, better code quality and fewer bugs. AI tools can point out errors as you write. They can suggest better ways to write a function. They can help avoid security issues. This saves you hours of debugging and helps reduce problems after release. Third, lower development costs through automation. Many software development tasks are repetitive, like writing test cases or documenting code. AI can automate these. That means your team spends less time on boring tasks and more time building valuable features. In a company setting, this can reduce the cost of hiring more developers or QA testers. Fourth, improved project management and decision making. AI tools can help manage your project, like suggesting better timelines, helping allocate resources, and analyzing data. If your team is building a product, AI can help you make smart decisions about where to focus time and effort. Let's walk through how AI is used in different parts of software development. 1. Code generation. This is one of the most popular uses. You can give AI a simple instruction like create a login form using HTML and JavaScript, and it will generate the code for you. It can also autocomplete your code as you write, predict the next line, and even create full functions or components. This is useful not just for beginners, but also for experienced developers who want to save time. Second, automated testing. Testing is a huge part of development. AI can help generate test cases based on how users behave. It can run those tests automatically and even suggest changes based on the results. Some tools can even fix bugs as you write the code. This makes it much easier to catch errors early and write clean, reliable code from the beginning. Third, project management. AI isn't just for coding. It can also help manage projects. You can use AI tools to schedule tasks, assign them to team members, estimate how long something will take, and track progress. It can also remind you of delays or problems before they become serious. Think of it like a smart assistant helping you run your software team. 4. Documentation. Let's be honest, no one enjoys writing documentation, but it's important for teamwork. AI can read your code and write simple, natural language comments explaining what it does. You can also use AI to turn code into full documentation automatically, so your team understands it better and new developers can get up to speed faster. Now here's the best part. You don't need to be an expert to use AI in software development. Yes, it helps if you know some basics, but tools today are so user-friendly that even people with limited coding experience can build useful apps or websites. In fact, AI is helping open the doors for more people to get into development, even if they didn't study computer science. Now let's look at a few roles that benefit most from using AI. Software developers. If you are already coding, AI helps you go faster and make fewer mistakes. It improves your workflow and can even help you learn better ways to write code. AI developers. These are people building apps that use AI. Maybe you are working on a chatbot, a recommendation system, or any smart feature. If that's you, AI tools will help you build smarter apps faster. Project managers. If you are managing a development team, AI helps you track timelines, manage resources, and keep everything on schedule. It handles repetitive work so you can focus on solving real problems. Here are some of the best AI tools for software development right now. ChatGPT by OpenAI, great for writing code, debugging, learning new languages, and even documenting your project. You can ask it questions like write a Python script for login validation and get working code instantly. It's like having a mentor on demand. GitHub Copilot auto-completes your code as you type, works inside VS Code, and speeds up your workflow a lot. Great for repetitive coding tasks. Amazon Q Developer, an AI assistant that integrates into your coding environment and acts like a smart chatbot for your code. Google Gemini Code Assist, Google's tool for generating, reviewing, and improving code with AI. Next, Tab 9, a lightweight autocomplete AI that works across different programming languages. Source Graph Cody, very useful for navigating and understanding large code bases. It can explain code, answer questions, and speed up onboarding for new developers. So what have we learned? AI is not here to take your job. It's here to make your job easier. Whether you're just learning how to code or you've been writing software for years, AI can help you build apps, websites, and tools faster and more efficiently. Artificial intelligence in software development is not the future, it's the present. And the earlier you start using it, the more advantage you'll have. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.